Who remembers these cameras? This is a Beta movie camera, Sony. I think it was the first video camera standalone, so you don't have enough, just put the tape in, record, like the tape's in there. I haven't got no power release to power it up, so I can't see if it's working or not. So I'll show you some of the features, look. Yes. This thing, I'll show you, that thing drops down there, look. That drops down, I'll show you. So that drops down there, look. You can push it up out of the way. Digital autofocus. So that's where the battery goes, look, in there. There's a lens cover. So you just photos. This just pulls out and then you just push it back over like that, look. Do it. Clips the other way. You put in the box. You see some of the features on it. So I can't test this to allow power lead. Right, the model number is a Beta Movie BMC 200p. As you can see there, some pictures on it. It's in very good condition. It's about 1983, I think it's 83 or 84, around about that mark. But it's in excellent condition. I just wish I had the power lead to plug it in. I'll show you the next video. This is the next video camera. Panasonic A1. As you can see, nice features. There's a battery goes in there. Now I presume from what I've researched, the microphone thing's missing there. You could put extender microphone in. From what I've done the research, this goes onto like a pack for the tape in. So you use this to film and it goes to the pack. I've got some accessories with it. But I can't plug it in to see what it works because I haven't got all the stuff. So I'll turn it around now. Some of the features on it, look there. But who remembers these? I don't remember having this one. I suppose in the day it was probably one of the top of the range ones in the day. You can see that thing there turns round and goes out of the way, so it's out of the way. I'll show you that. So that clicks out of the way so I can go in the case. I'd say it's in very good condition. I think it's about 80s, something like that. This is the third camera. I think everybody's had one like this. So it's a JVC. Put tape in there, look. Tape was in. I'll show you the top. It's the top of the but if you flick, so you look at all the stuff like that, look, all your stuff. But if you flick that, look, flicks across, so you can play it. Put the lens over now, looks like the lens comes out. Show the other side and the back. So put your arm for the front of it. That's the back. Back of it. Again, not in bad condition. That's my three cameras. I mean, some have got accessories with them, some haven't. So, I'll thank you for watching, and I hope to post some more videos.